Trusting God when income is unstable. No one talks about the fear that comes with unstable income. Today, I want to talk about trusting God when income is uncertain, especially in online work. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. There were months when income was strong, and months when it was silent. I learned that faith is not pretending everything is okay. Faith is choosing obedience even when the outcome is unclear. I still plan. I still work. But I no longer panic. God is not just our provider. He is our guide. If you're in a season of waiting or uncertainty, comment, "I trust God," below. Next week, I'll talk about how Christian values apply to online work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.